I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun.
Balatan. It is not an old municipality like the other towns in the Port District. It was one a situ known as Siramag, which belonged to the town of Nabua. In 1951, Camarines Camarines Sur Provincial Board member Gregorio O. Balatan Sr. proposed a resolution to divide Nabua into two municipalities, Nabua and Balatan. Balatan then was separated to its mother town and became independent on December 3, 1951. Under Executive Order 485,
President Elvidio of Arena, it was named after the board member Balatan, Don Rafael Balatan.
It was founded by Don Gregorio of Balatan, also the first mayor and founder of the municipality's first school, Balatan Institute Memorial High School, formerly Balatan Institute RBI. These are the former mayors of municipalities of Balatan. The founder and the first mayor during 1951 to 1967, Honorable Don Gregorio O. Balatan. The second and fourth mayor during 1967 to 1971 to 1988 to 1995, Honorable Candido E. Montenegro. The third and the sixth mayor, Honorable Manuel E. Balatan, 1971 to 1988 to 2001 to 2004. The fifth and the seventh mayor from 1995 to 2001, 2004 to 2007, Honorable Jimmy B. Dolario. The eighth mayor during 2007-2010, Honorable Lena B. Barca. So this is Honorable Ernesto Paris Aurelias Bagasbas, the sixth mayor during 2010 to 2019, and the current mayor of the municipality of Balatan, Honorable Lena Mrs. Paris Bagasbas, and she is the wife of the former mayor, Honorable Ernesto Paris Bagasbas.
7 years after it is established as a town, the parish of Bull Mother of Perpetual Health was elected by Archbishop Pedro B. Santos.
The town's economy is supported by people from the Burias Island of Masbate province who are mostly trading their products. This small municipality, Balatan, celebrates the Pintakasi in Pagkamundag Festival annually on February 18 and December 1 and 3, respectively.
The Balatan was divided into 17 barangays, which is the Barangay Kabanbanan, Kabungan, Kamangahan, Kayugkog, Kugit, Bulangdaga, Lagana, Duran, Biluwasan, Pararaw, Sagrada Nakakali, San Francisco, Santiago Nakakali, Tapayas, Tumatarayo, Montenegro, formerly known as Magiron, all in honor of Candido Montenegro. And the last barangay is the Barangay Siramag, which is the meaning of this barangay is Sirang Inahamag.
The household population of Siramag in the 2015 census was 5,079, broken down into 993 households or an average of 5.11 members per household. There are 3 native languages in Siramag: Central Bicol, Tagalog, and Rinconada Bicol.